Did you hear about the Supreme Court justice who wore his PJs to court? The dry cleaners weren't finished with his lawsuit. Get it? Lawsuit. Dispensing justice is an important part of any democracy. It's no joke. It's how we protect people's rights. And in the United States, the Supreme Court is the highest court in the land. There are 9 total justices on the United States Supreme Court, 8 associate judges, and the Chief Justice, who serves in an important leadership role, presiding over the court during private sessions when cases are debated behind closed doors, and in public when they deliver their rulings. The Chief Justice casts the final and sometimes deciding vote. They're also responsible for administering the oath of office to the incoming president and the vice president, presiding over presidential impeachments. That's a lot of plates to spin. The Chief Justice of the United States is appointed by the president when the previous one leaves their post, and must be approved by a majority vote in the Senate before joining the court. They head up the entire federal judiciary. That's about 800 judges and a staff of 30,000. They can keep the job for life, until they retire, are impeached, or, well, you get the idea. John Marshall served a whopping 34 years and helped establish the now fundamental principle that courts can declare acts of Congress unconstitutional, and also the idea that the necessary and proper clause gives Congress implied power not written in the U.S. Constitution. Since the Supreme Court was established in 1789, there have been just 17 Chief Justices. To date, everyone has been a white male. And 4 were named John. That's almost a quarter. Might be worth branching out next time. What qualities do you think are important in a Chief Justice?